Frosh here. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Tecno POP 2F. But if you are new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Let's get started. Unboxing the Tecno POP 2F, you can see we are greeted with the device itself in its glorious form, but we're going to set that aside for now. Checking the rest of the case, you can see the phone comes with an earpiece. It also comes with a charger, and you can see it comes with a warranty card, a user manual, and a protective back case, which is very kind of Tecno. And it comes actually as a very premium design, even though it looks like plastic. Well, it feels a little bit elastic, so I'm thinking this should be maybe rubber or something, but it looks like it could break if I bend it too much. So now let's set all this aside and go back to the phone. Picking up the phone, let's remove the wrapper from the front of the device. Removing the wrapper, you can see that it has a thin screen guard installed that feels like a little bit glass, and then you can see on the screen, on the top of the screen, it has a camera and a flash. The front camera is actually 8MP camera, which is actually quite outstanding for a device of this price range. It comes with the LED flash and a speaker on the front. The back of the phone actually also has the rear camera, which is a 5MP camera, which is quite unusual because normally the rear camera of a device is more higher or has higher megapixels than the front camera, but in this case we have a 5MP back camera and an 8MP front camera. And the back also comes with an LED flash for the camera. On the back you can see it has a fingerprint sensor, which is very quite outstanding for a device of this price range, and it also has a speaker on the left bottom of the back side. Moving on to the left side of the phone, you can see there is absolutely nothing on that side. On the right side you have the volume rockers and the power button. On the top you have the earphone jack. On the bottom you have a tiny speaker and USB Type-C port. So basically that's it for the build of the phone. It actually feels a little bit quite light because it's a 155-gram device, and it obviously isn't waterproof, so I'm not going to even try to test that out at all. This mobile device also comes with 1 gig of RAM and 16 gig ROM. There's no other variant. This is the constant variant. Yes, it supports micro SD card, and it runs on an Android 8.1 and Tecno custom Android device, which is an HiOS 4.1. It also has a dual SIM, but the SIM case and the micro SD card are all at the back. There is no SIM tray you remove with a pin or anything. It's a removable battery, so you just open up the case of the back and then you insert your SIMs the old-fashioned way. So basically the battery is also a 2400 mAh battery, which is said to last a day with 9 hours of usage time. And if you're a moderate user, this phone should keep you around, it should keep you around the 9-hour mark as tested by me. But if you are a very heavy user, you might need to charge this device about twice or thrice a day. Basically, since it only comes with a 2400 mAh battery. The phone sadly is not 4G Lite as expected from it, but is actually a 3G Lite phone, and actually it's also quite fascinating for a mobile device of this price range. Now, I said it runs on a 1 gig RAM and 16 gig ROM storage space earlier, and a lot of you might be thinking, oh, this mobile phone is going to be laggy. Although it's not the typical gaming phone, but the phone is actually quite nice and it runs smoothly. It runs all social media smoothly and the basic games that don't need much storage. Obviously you can play PUBG and Call of Duty on this, but you can play other offline or online games without much lag. So basically, for a price range of 25,000 naira, the Pop 2 is actually very worth buying if you are someone who is looking for a phone to just go through your social media accounts daily, play little games, and maybe take selfies, and maybe portrait cameras or something like that. But for someone who is actually looking for a gaming device, I don't recommend you buying this device, as it won't run much of the high-end games such as PUBG, COD, and the likes. But it's actually a very decent phone for this price range, and I think it's one to actually keep note of. So basically guys, that's all for the Tecno POP 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.